What's up guys, it's your boy named Yakov Karnim and I'm back with another video. It has been a long time I haven't been doing YouTube, and I'm doing a physical therapist for my neck that I have, and I am so excited for this video because today is a special day. The iPhone 17 Pro just got released today to the whole world in the market and publicly, and I want to show everyone in my hand the iPhone 17. But before I talk about the iPhone 17, make sure to subscribe to me, to like the video, comment below about all your thoughts and everything, and let's jump on it. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna tell you all the stuff I'm gonna tell you right now in the video. Number one, I'm gonna show you the unboxing. I'm gonna show you the phone too. Number two, I'm going to show you the protector screen and the case. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and let's jump on it. Alright, so what we have here is the iPhone 17 Pro inside the box, and we're gonna unbox it. Alright, so let's go. So let's just turn this over here. No, wait, still learning how to use this thing. Whatever. I wish Apple can make a feature that you can go back and forth. Alright, let's just unbox it. Put it right here. Alright, let's unbox it. So I waited about, you guys are wondering how long I waited to get this. I waited about 6 months to wait to get it, and then a long time to get it. Super excited. And actually, it was so exciting to finally get it. Oh wow, this is interesting. So Apple got me something in the mystery box over here. So let's see what we got here also after the video. And voila, one second, my bad. The iPhone 17 Pro. Oh my god, this is so cool. Alright, let's just put the box away so we can not make a mess. Let's put the case back how it belongs. Now, let me face it to you guys so you guys can see me. Alright, so what we got here, I know I'm gonna do this after the video, so I don't care, screw it. I'm very curious about this. What is this? Alright, this is interesting. It's actually, this is very, I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is very interesting what we have in the box. It's something that I don't even understand what this is. Oh, it's just nothing. Thank you, Apple, for tricking us. Now, the truth of the iPhone. Please open. It's so cool. They changed the box a little bit. I'm not used to it before, but it's kind of different. So let's open it. They make it so hard to open. Wow. Guys, look at this. This is the iPhone 17 Pro. Look at this. This is a silver white. I call it silver white. I don't know why they call it silver, but they should call it silver white. But look at the case. Look at this. It has all of this is 48 MP. That's the light. That's, I don't even know what that is. Look at this. This is cool. This is so cool. I never saw this before. And it looks like a pixel. Let me know in the comments if you guys think this is your favorite color. Let me know in the comments if you guys think this is the best iPhone 17. Is it worth it to get it? Let me know in the comments. So let's check how it looks like in the back. In the bottom, my bad. So in the back, it looks nice. Really nice. Look at this. This is so cool. What is this? Let me know in the comments if you guys know what this is. We finally get this button right here. Just like the iPhone 16, like last year. And see how it looks. Ooh, this is so cool. Oh my god, it's so crazy, guys. And then what it comes with is a USB-C charger, so that's pretty cool. And we also get paper stuff, whatever. Get paper. No longer need a physical SIM card. There's it right here, and that's what I got. Let's put this away and put the phone on the side so it doesn't break. And then I'm going to show you guys all the cases I got. I already opened it because I was kind of excited to get the phone finally. So that's why. And let's see how it looks. So this is what we got. We got the ESR cases. We got the ESR again with a 2X protector screen. If you guys want to order it, I will link it below. And check it out if you want to get this case. These two cases right here. Pretty cool. And what else I got? I also got an iPhone 17 Pro case from Apple. It's pretty cool. What I like about this case is people say they don't like it that much. They think it's kind of scratchy. I understand that, but I kind of like it. It's the color of it. It kind of reminds me of going to Israel, seeing the IDF and stuff like that, but it's pretty cool. And let's just open it. I already opened it before, so let's just see how it looks. Oh, this is so cool. Wait, let's see how it looks. Wait, I do it rough. So this is the case, and let's test how it sounds like. That's so cool. It's like a DJ. It's so cool. I like it. I really like the color, honestly. And it has a really good protector case for this one. So I'm gonna actually link this below if you guys want to get this in Apple Store. And let's see what it counts with this. Blah. That's what we got basically. And we got the iPhone. And now I don't know what I got here also, but you guys are gonna laugh at me. But I got the wallet. I got the Apple wallet from Apple. It's pretty cool. I want to show you guys how it looks like. You guys already experienced it, but I want to show how it looks like. It's pretty cool. So this is the case that we got. Really amazing. I'm still figuring it out how to move this thing over here. I don't even know. Let me know in the comments about this. So that's what we got. We got the iPhone 17 Pro, and I'm so excited. And I hope you guys like this video, enjoyed this video so much. And I don't know nothing about the iPhone. The only thing I know about the iPhone 17, guys, is that the new design. I know it has a vapor. So if you're playing video games, if you're playing anything, like if you're playing video, don't want to watch a video, it's up to 39 hours or something like that. That's what I heard from Apple event. And it's pretty cool, to be honest. And it's also made, I don't know what it's made with, but I don't know, it's something cool. And I like this design very much. And I'm actually gonna put the case inside it. So let me see if I want you guys to see what the case look like with the phone. So that's what it looks like with the case. Pretty cool, I like it. And I hope you guys really enjoy this video. And subscribe to me. See you in the next video. And I'm excited for you guys. Let me know in the comments about everything you guys think about the video and the details I showed you and everything. Love you all and have a nice week. Adios.